You all for this video. First of all, thanks to everyone who are supporting my channel. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel Array of Success. Today we are going to discussing about some previous year's GATE questions related to maxima and minima. So first of all, we should discussing about what are the condition of maxima and minima of a function of one variable. For that, here we are taking a function f of x. It is a one variable function because it have only one variable, that is x. Okay. Here we have mainly two steps to find out the maximum value and minimum value of a function f of x. First step become find f dash of x. Then we going to equating f dash of x should be equal to 0. Then we going to find out the roots of this f dash of x. Here we are considering one of the roots of this f dash of x should be equal to a. So let x is equal to a. Second step, find out f double dash of x. Then we substituting x is equal to a. So we will get a value f double dash of a. Then we checking the value of f double dash of a. What is that? If f double dash of a should be a negative value, then we can say f of x is maximum at x is equal to a. If f double dash of a equal to a positive value, then we can say f of x is minimum at x is equal to a. Also, if f double dash of a equal to 0, then we should find out f triple dash of x at x is equal to a. Again this procedure is repeating. That means then we checking f triple dash of a should be equal to a negative value. Then we can say f of x is maximum at x is equal to a. Then we going to check f triple dash of a should be a positive value. Then f of x is minimum at x is equal to a. If triple dash of a is equal to 0, then we should find f fourth derivative of x at x is equal to a. So this step is repeating. Okay. Question. The function f of x equal to x square e raised to minus x. The maximum occurs when x is equal to. This is GATE 2005 question. Here we need to find out the x value to get a maximum of f of x. Okay. For that, we can write the function f of x should be equal to x square into e raised to minus x. First step, we should find out f dash of x. Here we have two functions, so we can use the product rule. So first function into derivative of the second function, that means e raised to minus x into minus 1, plus second function into derivative of the first function, that means 2x. Then we can equate to 0. This minus term comes to this side. So we will get e raised to minus x 2x is equal to x square into e raised to minus x. Okay. Here we can cancel. Here we can cancel e raised to minus x term. So here we will get x square is equal to 2x. From this we can write x has two values. So one value becomes 0 and another value become 2. That means if you cancel 1x, here we will get 2. Also here we have a x square term, so it have two values, that means 0 and 2. Then we need to find out the f double dash of x. F double dash of x. What is f double dash of x? Here we need to apply the product rule. Okay, here we have a minus term. So minus of first into x square into derivative second e raised to minus x into minus 1 plus second into derivative first. Close the bracket, plus also here we have two terms, 2 outside. First term into derivative second plus second term into derivative first e raised to minus x into minus 1. Okay. We can simplify. Here we have negative negative positive. So e raised to minus x square Here minus inside, so minus e raised to minus x 2x plus here 2 into e raised to minus x. Here also minus 2x into e raised to minus x. Okay. So this is our f double dash of x. What is the next step? Next step, substituting x is equal to 0 and 2. So first we can take x is equal to 0. So we can write f double dash of 2. F double dash of 0 equal to, this term becomes 0, this term becomes 0, this term become e raised to 0 become 1, so 2. This term becomes 0. Here we get 2. It should be greater than 0. That means f of x is minimum at x is equal to 0. But here we need to find out the x value when f of x is maximum. So we should substitute x is equal to 2. So f double dash of 2 is equal to 2 square become 4, e raised to minus 2 minus e raised to minus 2 into 2 become 4 plus 2 into e raised to minus 2 minus 2 into 2 become 4 e raised to minus 2. Here we have a plus 4 e raised to minus 2, here minus 4 e raised to minus 2. We can cancel. Here e raised to minus 2 we can take outside. 2 minus 4 become minus 2. So here we get a minus value. That means minus 2 e raised to minus 2. So it should be less than 0. That means f of x is maximum at x is equal to 2. So what is the answer? X is equal to 2, option A. Question. The maximum value of the function f of x is equal to x cube minus 9x square plus 24x plus 5 in the interval 1, 6 is. GATE 2012 question. Here we need to find out the maximum value of the function f of x. So first we can write f of x is equal to x cube minus 9x square plus 24x plus 5. What is the first step? Find f dash of x. So x cube, differentiation of x cube become 3x square, then minus 18x plus 24, then equating to 0 to find out the roots of this equation. So we can take 3 outside, so we can write x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. So x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. After solving this quadratic equation, we get the roots x is equal to 2 and 4. Okay. Then what is this second step? Find f double dash of x equal to. This is our f dash of, so we take the differentiation of f dash of x. So we will get 6x minus 18. Then we need to substitute first x is equal to 2. Okay. So f double dash of 2 become 6 into 2 become 12. 12 minus 18 become minus 6. So it should be less than 0. So this is the maximum. This is the maximum value of f of x at x is equal to 2. Okay. Also we can apply f double dash of 4. Okay. What is the value? 4 into 6 become 24. 24 minus 18 become 6. It should be greater than, so it is the minimum value. Minimum value point. Okay. Here we need to find out the maximum of a function. But in question here we have an interval. If any question have one interval, we should consider the this value also to find out the maximum value of the function. Here our interval become closed bracket 1 comma 6. So here we need to find out the maximum value of the function at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 6. So we should find out f of x at x is equal to 1, also f of x at x is equal to 6. Also we get a maximum value at the point x is equal to x is equal to 2. So we should find out f of x at x is equal to 2. Okay. So find out f of 1. What is f of x? We can write here f of x become x cube minus 9x square plus 24x plus 5. This is our f of x. Okay. We can substitute x is equal to 1. So 1 cube 1 minus 9 plus 24 plus 5. What is the value? Minus 8. 24 minus 8 becomes 16. 16 plus 5 becomes 21. Next we need to find out f of 6. Then 6 cube minus 9 into 6 square become 36 plus 24 into 6 plus 5. Okay. We can find out what is 6 cube. 6 square become 36. Then into 6. 6 into 6 become 36. 6. Then 6 into 3 become 18. 21. So 216 minus 36 into 9. 54. 27 plus 5 become 32. 324. Then 24 into 6 become 144 plus 5. We can subtract. First we can add 216 plus 144 plus 5. 10, 15, 6, 3. 365 minus 324. 1, 4. Here we get 41. When x is equal to 6, we get the value 41. Next we need to find out f of x is equal to 2. So f of 2 become 2 cube minus 9 into 4. 36 plus 24 into 2. 48 plus 5. What is 2 cube? It should be equal to 8 minus 36 plus 48 plus 5. Here we can subtract 8 minus 36 become minus 28. Okay. So plus 48 become plus 20 equal to 25. Then which value become maximum? That means when x is equal to 6, the value of f of x should be maximum value. That means maximum of 21, 41 and 25. Which one is the maximum value? 41 when x is equal to 6. So this is the maximum value 41 when x is equal to 6. So our option become C. Okay.